Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to attach the mower bag to this Toro SmartSTOW lawnmower that I just picked up a few weeks ago. A few people have had some issues, it seems, and I made a request or had some questions about how to attach it. So I'll just show you guys how to do this. We'll do a quick tutorial, shouldn't take too long, and we'll wrap things up. So let's get started. Okay, so there's the mower itself in the SmartSTOW position. So we're gonna get this thing flipped down and then I'll show you where that mower bag attaches on here, all right? All right, so again, to flip this down, remember, you're gonna be using these. So we're going to set our mower down first, lift our tabs, flip this up, and lock it into place, all right? So now our mower's in place. Okay, let's zoom in here. Let's walk in here and I'm gonna show you where you're gonna be hooking your mower bag. Right here, there's this notch, okay? You're gonna have an identical notch right here. If you're not sure where this is, so here's your knob we use to tighten this mower is handlebars in place, all right? It's like directly across from there, all right? Right here, lines up right here, all right? So you got that notch. And again, same thing on this side. We've got this notch. You can see it's cut out. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'll just get this camera set up and I'll show you how we properly mount the mower bag. All right, here we are. All right, you see here we're looking at this is the back of the mower. What you want to do first, get your mower bag. All right, the Toro label, the name is going to face up. It's going to face you, and there's a handle here, there's a handle here. Right, that you're going to use when mounting and taking this thing off. So if you look at the bag, we've got tabs here, and we got a tab here, identical tabs. So what you want to do is holding it by the handle. Let me get this up. Holding it by the handle like I'm doing here, okay? You're going to lift up the chute, the cover in the back. All right, you're gonna lift this up and you're going to then, see what I'm doing here? Slide these tabs into place. It drops in there. And let's zoom out a little bit. There's your attached mower bag, okay? So that's it, all right? That's how you put the mower bag on this Toro SmartSTOW mower. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Otherwise, I hope this video helps. Have a great summer mowing your lawns. Talk to you later.